On February 2026, the software industry hit a wall. In just 48 hours, over $300 billion in market value vanished from the SaaS sector. Salesforce dropped to a multi-year low. Adobe shed 23% of its value. But this wasn't just another bad earnings season. This was a structural failure. For 20 years, the entire tech economy was built on one simple metric: the seat. You pay per user per month. It's the Salesforce tax that turns small startups into trillion-dollar giants. But this month, two tools, OpenAI's Project Operator and Anthropic's Claude Cowork, turned the seat into a liability. Welcome to the SaaSpocalypse. This is a strategic audit of the seat compression crisis.
To understand why Wall Street is panicking, you have to understand seat compression. In the old world, let's say 2024, if a company had 100 sales reps, they bought 100 Salesforce licenses. Simple. If the company grew, Salesforce grew. But in February 2026, we've entered the era of the agentic OS. OpenAI's Project Operator doesn't just suggest text, it navigates software for you. It can prospect leads, update CRM records, and handle support tickets without a human ever logging in. Suddenly, that company with 100 sales reps realizes they only need 10 people to oversee a fleet of AI agents. If you only have 10 humans, you only buy 10 seats. Salesforce doesn't just lose a customer, they lose 90% of their revenue from that customer. That is seat compression. It is a mathematical death of 1,000 cuts for every company that charges per human head.
Coined as a meme in 2025 and named the word of the year, vibe coding has become the dominant architectural framework of 2026. In the past, if a company wanted a custom workflow, they had to buy a specialized SaaS platform like HubSpot or Zendesk because building custom software was too expensive. Today, an orchestrator, a non-technical manager, can use tools like Claude Code to vibe a custom internal tool into existence over a weekend. When the cost of custom software collapses by 90%, the moat around companies like Adobe and Salesforce evaporates. Why pay for a bloated Creative Cloud subscription when your AI agent can build a bespoke design engine tailored exactly to your brand's vibe?
The giants aren't going down without a fight, but their response shows just how much they're struggling. Take Salesforce. Right now, they are desperately testing 3 different pricing models simultaneously because they don't know what will stick. This is a Hail Mary. Salesforce is moving from a system of record to a system of results, but the market is skeptical. If they charge for results, they have to guarantee results. If the AI hallucinating costs a company $1 million deal, who pays? Adobe is in a similar trap. They're caught between AI as a feature and AI as a replacement. Every time they make their AI better, they make it easier for a customer to cancel a seat. So, what is the final verdict of this strategic audit? SaaS isn't dead, but the per-seat era is over. The survivors won't be the companies with the most features, they will be the companies that own the data layer. If Salesforce can convince the world that their data is the source of truth that all these AI agents need to feed on, they might survive as a high-margin data platform. But as a UI with a login, that business is a zombie. We are watching the fastest reevaluation of a sector in history. The vibe has shifted, and for the giants of the 2010s, the bill has finally come due. If you want to see the specific data sheets on the Salesforce Black Tuesday crash, I've linked the Bloomberg and Yahoo Finance reports in the description. What do you think? Is this a bargain buying opportunity for Salesforce, or is the SaaSpocalypse just beginning? Let me know in the comments.